My name is Justin Samuels, and I'm the founder and CEO of Render ATL. Render ATL, we are a technology conference that represents a Southern U.S. engineering, more particularly a web technology engineering. So we currently use a SurveySparrow to get feedback on our workshops in our annual conference, a post-event. You do this by segmenting out who comes to the conference, whether they're a GA, whether they're a VIP, whether they're a speaker, or whether they're a partner, or anything in between, volunteers included. And we do that so that then we could get that analysis laser focused on different customer groups. So we care about making sure that everybody's experience overall at the conference for their particular cohort is impactful. Prior to SurveySparrow, we didn't really use that surveys. We just walked around and just asked people, or we'll do it in like a Google sheet and just start collect rankings and words that we heard, buzzwords and whatnot. But SurveySparrow gave us the first way that we could drill down accurately and get it quickly. Number one feature as a nerd is the segmentation. Being able to create different surveys based on a customer profile and then sending it out, perfect. That is exactly what I want to see happen each and every time. What I've seen today gives me the ability to look across many data lakes, many data sources, and get access to trending customer sentiment, feedback, and overall data that will allow me and my teams to take action sooner rather than later. Number one thing that I learned about my customer is that they want more workshops. So workshops was always a thing not on the front of my mind. By using SurveySparrow, especially the word cloud, and being able to, I see that mentioned over and over again, my customers went from the back of my mind to the front of my mind. And it's been all uphill since. In the era of AI work and trying to do more with less and quick iterations, constant improvement, Kaizen, it's all about how do you achieve a velocity and meaningful insights quicker and take action on them. By being able to see everything important to a customer and important to your team in one holistic view, it's a game changer because it makes the onboarding process easier for whoever else you're going to bring on. And it also allows your team to have targeted conversations and not have to ask, what platform is that data in again? And you get lost. So overall, it's going to allow us, and I know it's going to allow other teams to move quicker and be more responsive quicker too. I recommend a SurveySparrow to anybody that does live events, live production, because it'll help you get laser focused on customer acquisition and on customer needs.